Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance Rewards full guide. Start by logging into your Binance account and navigating to Rewards in the top menu. We'll cover staking, launch pool, vouchers, referral bonuses, and flexible savings so you can maximize passive income. Follow along step by step and pause when needed to try each feature on your account. I'll explain fees, lockup terms, and how to claim rewards safely. Select a rewards product like staking, launch pool, or savings, and review the annual percentage yield, lockup period, and minimum amounts. Choose between flexible and locked options based on your liquidity needs and risk tolerance. Use small test amounts to learn processes and monitor performance daily. Reinvest rewards to benefit from compounding and set alerts for expirations and claim windows to avoid missed rewards. Always check terms, lockup lengths, and project credibility before committing funds to a rewards product. Diversify across tokens and products to reduce exposure to single asset volatility. Keep emergency funds separate from locked savings to avoid forced liquidation. Understand tax implications and keep records of reward distributions, amounts, and dates for reporting. Use strong passwords and review smart contract audits when available to protect staking rewards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.